Welcome to the Laurel Oak Inn. Prepare to step back in time to the 1800s when this street was one of the most sought-after addresses in all of North Central Florida. 130 years later, and not much has changed. Built in 1885, this stunning Victorian mansion became the crown jewel of the street. And in the early 2000s, she underwent a massive restoration, bringing her back to her youthful charm. Nearly 1,000 square feet of covered porches wrap around the first floor of the home, showcasing quintessential Victorian woodwork and offering respite from the Florida sun. Inside, you'll find tall ceilings, expansive windows, extensive woodwork, and original heart pine wood floors. The first floor offers a spacious living room, a formal dining room, a half bathroom, and a glorious eating kitchen. On the second level, you'll find the laundry facilities, as well as 4 additional bedrooms, all featuring fireplaces and ensuite bathrooms. Each room representing its own charm and character. Finally, on the third level, you'll find the penthouse apartment, featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchenette, a dining room, living room, and office space. Perfect for owner-operators and distinctive guests alike. Opportunities like this rarely come available in the sought-after historic bed and breakfast district. Do not miss the opportunity to make this estate your own.